So we're here at Fuchu Homare, and they're just in the process of washing rice, which is one of the most important steps in sake making. It's called senmai. First is rinsing, cleaning.
The hand washing.
The water's getting all white. There's what's called the nuku, the white powder that comes off the rice.
約13キロ。
だからお水は3 kilo. So it starts off 10 kilos, and then when they weigh it here, they want it to be 13 kilos. So it will have absorbed 3 kilos of water. What they're trying to achieve here is obviously for the rice to absorb some water. If the rice absorbs too much water, when it's steamed, the rice will then get very mushy. So they don't want the rice to absorb too much water. People really don't understand how much sake is a handmade, artisanal product, but every single thing being done here is very measured, precise, a lot of handwork. It's not easy.